Finally, here is your 3-day challenge, should you choose to accept it. For the next 3 days, do not use questions with your child. Let's expand on that. Do not ask your child questions. What? Yes, do not ask your child questions for 3 days. This is often the most difficult part of this challenge. Questions are generally conversation stoppers. For 3 days, do your very best to self-monitor and refrain from asking your child questions. Use statements. Instead of, "Do you want juice?" say, "Here's juice." Instead of, "Are you ready to go?" get your child ready and say happily, "Let's go." One type of question to be especially aware of is the rising intonation question. These are easy to miss. Rising intonation questions are actually statements where the intonation rise at the end of a statement turns it into a question. So, for example, go outside versus go outside, or you see a doggy versus you see a doggy. So, don't rise that intonation, even when you are a bit unsure of what your child was communicating. Make your best guess and recast. Bring your intonation down and confirm rather than question your child's communicative attempt. So, for the next 3 days, to the best of your ability, refrain from asking questions. This includes rising intonation questions. It will be challenging. Don't worry, you'll be able to ask your child questions again. For this challenge, try and do your best to not ask questions. Among other benefits, it will be a good exercise in realizing how much we do ask our child questions. On to part 2 of the challenge. But here, let me suggest, if you have not yet taken the Introductory Course 101, Initiations and Introduction, it is highly recommended. Communicative initiations and recasts are covered in Course 101 in more detail and with video examples, which will help you immensely in this challenge.